So what is the life cycle of the software and the repository of this? What is the repository? So software life cycle is a pre-compiled source code. Pre-compiled source code means the source code has been converted or generated is a machine readable format. So this machine readable format can we read these files. For the example, there is some files having the .exe extension. So exe can run easily on the Windows operating system. Okay. Similar, there is some packages which having the RPM extension. They can install the RPM based Linux. Some having the precompiled .dev files. These files can be executed over the Debian based operating system. Debian based and all I have told you already. So complete application and their supporting files. Not only the source code is enough. There is some supporting files like the library are used, some pre-defined function, some globally function. These are used. These are known as a supporting files. And also there is a documentation or exist in a same software. Means you are installing the Nessus software. So Nessus will install, their supporting files will install, and also the document will install, or document will be stored on the target machine or installation machine where you are going to install the software. Assembled for the specific package manager. So a specific package manager, I told you already .rpm.debian. This is the specific package which are some are running on the Red Hat distributions .rpm packages, and some are running on the Debian derived distributions like the .div. So Red Hat example is RHEL, RHEL, CentOS and the Fedora. But in a Debian, Ubuntu, Kali Linux and much more. And these are software are stored on the repository. So now the question is what is the repository? Means these packages will be stored on the repository. So what is the repository? A repository is nothing, just a location of the server or the storage database where all the available software are stored on this location. But these are the software have been tested by engineers. So already these software are tested and compatible with the current version of the operating system. And these repository are maintained by the specific organization. For the example, Red Hat repository will be maintained by the Red Hat. Debian based will be maintained by the different like Ubuntu repository maintained by the Ubuntu, Kali Linux repository maintained by the offensive security. So there is a one command apt which is used as a package manager in a Debian based operating system. So when you run this command apt show nmap, so it will display some information, their version, the package name and their version. Okay, so what happened? We first update the repository. Once we update the repository, when we get the any information related to any package name, so first request go to the package manager. Package manager is a apt, and it will forward this request on the nmap package which is installed. Then it will display you the version of the package. Means this is generating a query related to the package through the package manager. Okay, you just open the Kali Linux and then run this command.